Have you ever wondered why majority of the books or what we learned back in school, we were told when transplanting you do it in the evening? Have you ever wondered why? I'm transplanting. I'm doing my cabbages, and I wanted to explain to you the reason to why we were told you are supposed to do the transplanting early in the morning and late in the evening. Not because I'm doing it at the moment, that's why I'm explaining it, or I want to justify anything. By the way, the reason why I'm doing it late in the evening is because I end a busy schedule today. But I decided now, before now darkness falls, because our time is sunrising to darkness falling, I'm going to do some few stems, then I retire. Tomorrow morning I come and continue. It's farming, it's passion. Nothing can pay this. Somebody asked me how much I earn doing this, through this. I earn a lot because it's passion. It's nothing. There is no price for this. Back to our lesson. The reason why so many books usually tells us to do the transplanting in the evening is one. In the evening or very early in the morning, the soil is very cool. It's very cold. Even at the moment when I'm touching this soil, it's very cold. It's very cold. I can feel the difference between when my hands are bare and when they are touching the soil. So when you do the transplanting with this weather or in the evening, that means the plant tend to adopt, or the plant tend to tolerate or to be in good temperatures until tomorrow when it wakes up. When the temperatures rises, at least it can adopt the temperature slowly, as compared to if you do the transplanting noontime. It may end up killing your plant because the temperatures are so high. The seedlings is susceptible to high temperature, so it dies. Or else you bring in now the stress relieving product that people usually do. But please, there's something to note. There is something to note. If you're in a position, or if you are doing drip irrigation, there is no need to wait till evening to do the transplanting. I also don't wait till evening to do the transplanting. You can irrigate at the same time you are transplanting your seedling. The other day I was forced to do my seedlings, or to do the transplanting under a very heavy shower, because there was no time first to irrigate and also to do the seedling. So it was very hot. The showers are there. I'm irrigating at the same time I'm doing the transplant. So you can choose that. Also, you can do during the day. Also do the relief, the stress relieving shock. But if done in the evening or very early in the morning, the seedlings are the best. As you can see, mine doing very well because times allows it. So tomorrow in the morning when irrigation comes back, even they are not going to feel now the heat of the day. They are going to continue, and in few days time they are going to be okay. But also for the farmers who are buying seedlings, seedlings from the propagators, they are in a better position to transplant their seedling at any time of the day without worrying, because those seedlings are not highly affected because of transplanting shock. Their roots are intact, so there is no root disturbance. When you transplant them, they are well handed. There is something we call hardening off. They are well hardened off. That means when they go to the field, definitely they adopt to the new farming or the new growing condition. But if you're a farmer like me doing seedlings, I showed you the shortcut, by the way. Buying seedlings and doing your own seedlings is very cheap. Ask me. Yeah? Ask me if like in this farm, the much I've done, if I was to buy from the propagators, I would have used a lot of money. You can see the farm is big up to the lower section there. That where the class will be taking place from today to day. I'm just completing the transplanting part of it, so that's where the class will be taking place. So choose, don't wait in the morning or in the evening for you to transplant. You can buy the propagator seedlings, you can buy the stress relieving or the transplanting stress shock relieving product, and you do your transplanting without stress. But if you can find sometimes like me in the evening, why not do it? If you can find buy time in the morning before you go to work or before you do anything, why not do it? But those are the facts why farmers were advised to do in the morning and in the evening. Hope you've learned something. Hope you are keeping up with our classes each and every time. Hope you are a subscriber of this YouTube channel, because if you are not, you're missing a lot. Subscribe so that we can continue learning together. Bye.